I have an integrated Miele dishwasher which is showing an F24 fault. Can it be repaired? Or is it time for a new dishwasher?
Hi, F24 is a heater relay fault. The heater relays are part of the control board on these dishwashers. If looking at doing the repair yourself, you need to access the control board in the dishwasher and check to see if there is any burning on there. If it looks fine, then you can just check the heater on the side of the dishwasher and see if faulty. But usually for the error code you have, it's a control board fault, as if the heater was faulty you will get F25 instead. So given the error code you have F24, this is more than likely the control board at fault here. Now this can be repaired, but they are very expensive parts on Miele. You are looking at quite a bit of money, I'm afraid. So as to whether it's worth fixing or replacing, this depends on how old it is. If it's quite old, then it's maybe worth just replacing the dishwasher, but this is up to you. Regards.
Thank you, this is very useful. The dishwasher is about 6 years old and used a lot. What would be the price of this repair roughly?
Hi, depending on the model, some are about the £400 mark. But roughly between £200 and £400 just for the parts, I'm afraid. Miele parts are very expensive. What you can try is Miele, as they do a 12-month policy for appliances already faulty, so they may work out cheaper. Have a look at the link, it will take you to their site. Click here. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.